Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could adjust the Windows virtual memory. If you are using Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, or even 12, then this method will work for you. First of all, go to your search tab and type View Advanced System Settings. Once this little window appears for you or icon, click on it to open. Make sure that you are in the Advanced options, and under Performance there is the Settings options. Click on it to open, and the next step will be that again we will click on Advanced. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change and untick Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, so you must untick it, and here you need to select Customize or Custom Size. Under Custom Size you can type the initial size which you want, preferably a little bit higher than the minimum allowed. So in my case it's 16 MB, in your case it might be higher or lower. And the maximum size, preferably some which your RAM can handle. How you can check that? Just go to your settings and check what is the total RAM installed in your computer and what is free. For example, here in About, I have an installed 8 GB RAM and the usable is 7.8, so I still can allocate 1 GB as a maximum for my computer to 2 GB even if I want to. So make sure to check your installed RAM and the usable one before you do anything. Once you are done with your settings, just click on OK to save your settings. Again, the apply option will be available for you. Click on it and then click OK. Again here, apply, OK, and you will be prompted to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, the settings will be saved and it will be available for you. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.